This is Cheryl with iSTYLEMYSTYLE, and it's Christmas in July! Yay! Do you like my elf hat? Actually, it's not my hat, it's a tree topper. But I thought this would be the perfect prop to start this video because I am going to put together a compilation of all of my Christmas videos for the Christmas in July to give you a little bit of Christmas inspiration. So the compilation of videos will be my Christmas home tours, Christmas shop with me's, what I found after Christmas clearance, what I found thrifting. I always decorate my home in a different theme every year. And as you know, that can get pretty expensive. So I like to take things that I have and also thrift things to create a whole new look for Christmas. As you can imagine, that creates a lot of Christmas decor. And it most certainly does, because there is tons of Christmas decor in the basement. I had the huge shop with me after Christmas clearance hauls last year. I will put those in the playlist. Maybe it will give you a little bit of Christmas inspiration. And this year, we are going big. Yes, we are going big. This year's Christmas theme is all about glitz and glam. So if that is something you are interested in, make sure you hit the subscribe button, hit the notification bell, and become a member of the iSTYLEMYSTYLE family. So to get you in the mood and ready to watch the playlist of all the videos, I'm going to show you a few, just a few of my past Christmas decor themes. So I hope you like it. Please make sure you give the video a thumbs up. Like, comment, and subscribe. Let me know if any of the photos that I show or any of the videos that you watch give you some inspiration for decorating for Christmas. And mind you, all of it is done on a budget. So I hope you enjoy the videos, guys. Until next time, I will see you in the next video.